Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the air fryer and the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button. Now let's get started. Both air fryers use rapid air circulation technology to fry food with little to no oil, making them a healthier cooking option than traditional frying. However, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven has a fat removal technology in the basket that removes up to 90% of fat through the cooking process, making it the healthier option between the two. Both air fryers are easy to operate with simple control panels. However, the air fryer has a one-button start and can be mastered in just 1 minute. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven has 12 one-touch digital presets that deliver the best results, making it easier to cook different types of food. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven is a multi-cooker combo that can be used to fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, toast, reheat, and keep food warm, making it a more versatile option than the air fryer, which is mainly used for frying. Both air fryers have detachable compartments and require hand washing. However, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven accessories can be put into the dishwasher, making cleanup quick and easy. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven comes with a 1-year comprehensive international warranty, giving you peace of mind. The air fryer does not appear to come with a warranty. And there you have it. Both air fryers have their pros and cons, but ultimately it depends on your cooking needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons like this one.